Verifying your identity on Skillshare is an important step to ensure your account's security and to maintain the integrity of the platform. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Skillshare account using your registered email and password. Make sure you have access to the email linked to your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. This can typically be found by clicking on your profile picture or name in the top right corner of the screen. Look for an option labeled Account or Settings. Step 3. Find Identity Verification section. Before starting recovery, use the /com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Provide required information. You will be prompted to provide specific information for verification. This may include your full name, address, and date of birth. Ensure that the information you enter matches the documents you will submit for verification. Step 5. Upload verification documents. Finally, upload the required documents to verify your identity. This could include a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Follow the instructions for uploading to ensure your documents are accepted. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation that your identity verification is in process. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your verification status.